We are here to present the unboxing installation of the our humidifier, which is used for the ventilator for non-invasive patients. Now here is the humidifier we are unboxing. This is the user manual we have, which have the instructions for the user, and then here this is the model called SS330 respiratory humidifier. This is the basic humidifier, which has the manual control for the patients, non-invasive patients, adult and pediatric patients. This is the humidifier. This is the heater plate, and this we have the manual temperature control as per the heater control we have with us, and we just to show you a small demo to how to install on the ventilator. And with this you need a chamber, the auto feed or disposable chamber or the reusable chamber. This is the reusable chamber we have, which can be autoclaved at 110 degree. Now we are giving a small installation of the ventilator. You have to slide to the mounting clamp in the ventilator trolley. Just slide it and it will get hanged, and then you can power on. Just connect to the normal this cable with a socket, then you press, there is a power switch, then you switch on. You see there's a heater on, then the power on, both LEDs are glowing. Now you select the level as per the ambient temperature. You select the heater level so that the patient gets temperature as per the 37 degree plus minus 1 degree. Now see, the heater is start heating. Now we have to put a water up to this level. This is the water level indication. You have to insert and then just slide the chamber inside and get locked. Now this is the humidifier is not started working. Now we have to connect to the circuit which machine has given. So see this, the one end, there are two end of the small limb which provide normally. One end will go to the ventilator and the other end will go to the inlet of the chamber. So this is the inlet of the chamber. It get connected to the inlet of the chamber, and now we have to connect further the circuit provided with the ventilator machine. We have to connect the circuit. Will be having this kind of a look. It has a double trap inspiratory and expiratory limb and the Y piece. And now you have to connect the inspiratory limb to the outlet of the chamber. There is also a port for the feed. If you have a sterile bottle feed, this is the port you open up and then just insert the pin, and then otherwise you just kept it closed if you are manually feeding it through the inlet. Now see, the humidifier on the other end, you have to connect back to the ventilator. Now this is the expiratory limb and this is the inspiratory limb, the white one. Now you just connect to both the end to the ventilator, and now it start working. Now see, the heater is off, because if you need more heat, then you have to increase. This heater will start on, then again it will get cut off after reaching this temperature level. As per the manual, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which are the temperature level you want. Accordingly you can adjust the temperature level. If you reduce, it will switch off. If you increase, it will on. So accordingly you need what is the temperature requirement. So accordingly you can manually set the temperature just by rotating this knob. Now this is the brief demo for installation. It's very simple and very user friendly, and we have the instructions even in the manual for at page number 9. If you see the page number 9, we have a similar schematic diagram for the installation, which you can refer when you connect the similar kind of thing. This is what our humidifier. One more, lastly, we want to remind you, this is only for non-invasive ventilation. Thank you.